Hi guys, we're going to do car wash last day of the year.
Car is this dirty and
Yeah, the car is very dirty and we need to clean, we need to car.
so many
Together
bubbles,
the
so many
three of
bubbles.
us. So let's do this guys. Help us or just watch us and enjoy our
Car wash.
in our car.
Find the bubble.
Okay, switch off na.
Nancy.
Yes.
Laki ng puwet ah.
Gano'n ako magka-car wash guys. Ding 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 ding. Kailangan daw car washin kasi yung asawa ko, guys. Aray. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Ilan po na yan, madam?
This is my part-time job. I am 7 months pregnant. And Nikki, come help me madali.
Wash your car.
Only 30 ringgit my per hour. You need to car wash your
Brush.
ano mo lang siya.
Ay, wala kasi pambayad yung asawa niya sa car wash.
Hi, Happy New Year. Where are you? brush.
Be, wala kasi pambayad yung asawa niya sa car wash.
Wala
Kaya,
kasi akong bayad, guys.
sabi ni Michael, oh,
Kung mag-carwash ng car namin. Kaso nga lang, it's time to tipid-tipid na kasi lalabas na yung sa pangalawang baby na. You like it?
Wash your car.
Ito. Bibili na naman kami ng bago kasi
lalabas na si
hindi na kami
Junior.
makasya-apat.
Lalabas na si Junior, guys.
Hindi na kami kasya. Kailangan na namin yung yung Hyundai type. Hyundai siya. Tapos yung Santa Fe kasi mas wide
Bigger,
siya.
well.
Mas wide. Tapos malaki yung compartment sa likod. You okay, Nikki?
Okay.
Wash. Wash.
Brush. After my car wash, I will car wash you. Ika-car wash ko yung asawa ko guys kasi last day of the year na.
Oo.
nung nanganak ako, nag 1 year yung baby, nasa floor pa yung daddy nila. Then, hanggang mabuntis, kasi nga lockdown, walang trabaho yung asawa ko, nasa bahay lang. Ay, may trabaho siya, work home. Eh, syempre, nasa bahay lang. Eh, syempre, magluluto ko ng lunch, eh, may 1 hour break. Eh, anong gagawin? Nasa bahay lang. Nakaantay ako sa bed.
Ay, oo.
Sabi ko, tulog ka muna kasi rest. Yun, nabuntis agad. Diba, guys?
Next year buntis yan, guys. Magaling yan. Uy, may naglalaba. Are you okay, ma'am?
Tulog pa sila ng mag-ama. Diba guys, ang kinis-kinis na.
Kinis na.
Ano yan?
Be, gumanon ka, be. Yan, teka lang ah. Oh. Thank you guys for watching.
Thank you
Please
guys for watching. Please subscribe.
vlog Alona.
And like and share. Vlog Alona and Mabel's Vlog.
Mabel's
This will be
vlog.
downloaded to Mabel's Vlog here.
Yeah.
Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. For more videos, definitely guys, mag-upload pa kami ng maraming videos.
Yes. Thank you.
Bye! Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!
Bye.